My name is Zaman Khan. I'm from New York. I live in Queens. Today I will talk about my experience on hair transplant with New Root. So this journey I started I was thinking about getting this hair transplant done. That was from last year. And after I did a lot of research online, I was asked to go to Turkey. I was asked to go to Dominican Republic, but I wanted to do something at back home in Bangladesh to get it done, and I wanted to come here. I was in here last 14 years, so I was like, okay, I will spend my vacation time, and I'll get my transplant done together. So when I started searching hair transplant clinic here in Bangladesh, the first clinic that name came up to me, that was New Roots. So when I came here, today is my day 3. The customer service is out of tough, like super awesome, amazing customer service. Their staff members, their doctors, down to earth, very professional. Like anything you ask, anything you wanted to know, even before you ask them the question, they will tell you, okay, this is how you're gonna feel, this is what's gonna happen next. So overall, they're like the best transplant company, I would say, in Bangladesh. I didn't went to any other countries. I don't know about them. I know people go there, come back within 24 hours or 48 hours, then they have to heal at home. But since I got my time because I'm here on vacation, and this New Root, they're helping me each and every day, day to day, that this is what it's gonna do next. This is how you're gonna clean it up. That's how it will progress. Amazing. Overall, I'm very satisfied with their service, and I'll recommend any person who wants to do transplant. I would say this should be your place to come and get the transplant done.